Hey guys, it's your girl Queen of Herbs here, and I'm doing this quick video just to share a remedy that I do during the winter. It's a great remedy to do far as if you experience any colds, flu, any sinus infections, any sinus issues. If you have build up mucus, this is a great remedy to do at home. So in my pot, I have a quart of water, oranges, lemon, ginger, mullein, fenugreek, cloves, and peppermint in here. I'm gonna let this boil. Once it boils, turn it down to a low heat. Let that steam come up. Do you a quick steam for about 10 or 20 minutes. I prefer to do 30 minutes. 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes before you go to bed. This will help clear out any flare that you have in your lungs or any sinus. It will help clear all that out. It will bring all that drainage out. It will break all that mucus out. This is a great time to be doing these type of remedies for winter, just to clear your immune system and any inflammation that you may have in your lungs or anything. This is a great remedy to do. Also, I added some turmeric. Turmeric is your best friend during the winter. It helps build your immune system. It helps break down mucus. It helps with inflammation. It helps with anybody dealing with any cancers or any virus. This turmeric is your best friend. Also, you want to also load up on some golden seal, elderberry, echina, mullein. That's all good for respiratory issues that you may have. Good for sinus issues. It helps with virus. You want to load up on some vitamin D. You want to load up on some vitamin C. Also, you could get turmeric pills. So this is a great time to be ready, being conscious for winter. So nobody could be getting any type of sickness or anything. This is a great remedy to do. Also, drink a lot of tea during this time. A lot of soup. Using a lot of herbs. Get in tune with your herbs. I just want to share this quick remedy with y'all. I love y'all. Peace and love.